Where are the unemployment hotspots? What is the predicted impact of a highway project on traffic safety? What is the predicted solar energy adoption for a planned housing subdivision? We can answer these questions with location intelligence using Spatial AI, a set of capabilities in the Autonomous Database added to Oracle Machine Learning for Python. We can use Python for data exploration, analysis, and make better predictions with our location data. Spatial AI APIs help us leverage database operations such as proximity and make predictions to answer questions like, does having more charging stations nearby actually make people in cities and suburbs more likely to switch to electric cars? You can use Spatial AI to choose and predict algorithms to use. In Spatial AI, machine learning algorithms are used for regression, classification, clustering, and anomaly detection to find patterns and make predictions, all using location information. From logistics to urban planning, retail to resource management, or if you want to predict the adoption of electric vehicles, Spatial AI in OML4Py adapts to your needs, integrating seamlessly with your geospatial data in Oracle Autonomous Database.